Are you tired of spending hours creating content? Imagine getting it done in a fraction of the time. In this video, I'll show you how I use chatgpt and Canva to supercharge my content creation. You'll learn step by step how to make your workflow faster and more efficient. Creating quality content is essential in today's digital world, but it can often feel overwhelming. That's where chatgpt and Canva come in. Combining these tools saves time and enhances creativity. First, let's talk about chatgpt. This AI tool can generate ideas, draft text, and enhance your writing. When I need content ideas, I simply ask chatgpt. For example, I type, "Give me 10 blog post ideas about health." In seconds, I get a list of fresh ideas. Next, I select one idea to develop further. I use chatgpt to create outlines or drafts. It helps to structure my thoughts clearly and concisely. Suppose I choose the benefits of meditation. I can ask chatgpt to draft an introduction. Just like that, I have a solid base to work from. Now let's switch to Canva. This design tool is perfect for creating beautiful graphics effortlessly. After drafting my content, I hop over to Canva. I search for templates related to my topic. This saves me time rather than starting from scratch. In Canva, I customize the chosen template. I add my text generated by chatgpt. With drag and drop features, it's easy to rearrange elements. Plus, Canva has a vast library of images and icons that enhance my visuals. With both tools working together, I can create engaging content quickly. Let's recap. First, use chatgpt for ideas and drafts. Then, use Canva for stunning visuals that align with your content. These two tools accelerate your workflow drastically. In summary, by leveraging chatgpt and Canva, I create content 10 times faster. Imagine achieving more with the same effort. Why not give these tools a try? Tap the links in the description to get started with chatgpt and Canva today. Start transforming your content creation process right now.